In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up live television on the Toshiba VIDAA TV. From the home screen, use the remote to scroll up to the Settings menu. Select OK on the remote and scroll down to the Channel option. Scroll along to Auto Scan and select OK on the remote. Next, choose your connection type. If you are using an antenna, insert the antenna cable into the television. Press the right button to continue. Then press OK on the remote. Your television will then scan for channels. Once complete, you will be asked if you'd like extra channels included with Freeview. Scroll to your desired option and select OK to continue. Next, select OK on your remote. Finally, select Done to watch live television. Your Toshiba VIDAA television is now ready to use.